Okay, so today I'm going to be welding a spare tire mount to a typical utility trailer. This happens to be a Zieman F816, but this is a Harbor Freight spare tire which fits on this trailer, and then this is an old Harbor Freight spare tire mount. Now the problem with this is really designed for squared tubing, and this is not squared tubing, so I haven't seen anything on the internet about welding a existing mount. I'm gonna go ahead and try to weld this right here as a spare tire mount. So let's see how that comes out. So I don't want to bore you with prep, but I already prepped it, and right now I got it tacked. And this is what I'm thinking about doing. Everything looks fine. What I think I might do is run another metal piece down this way to give it extra support like that. But yeah, let's right now it's tacked. I kind of want to see how it looks. I think that's gonna look good. The reason why it's on the passenger side is, heaven forbid, it's on the highway. You want it on the passenger side. Keep in mind, guys, I'm just a hobbyist builder. I'm not like a professional at all, but forgot to film the first weld, but here we go anyway. I'm gonna fill in the holes here to give it some extra. I'm thinking about actually getting the grinder and doing a bevel so it gets better penetration. Maybe I'm overthinking it. So this is a butt joint. This was a lap joint right here. Let me fill this right here. It's pretty solid. Okay, back at the spare tire mount. I feel like this is really sturdy as it is, but I also want to give it some extra support. So I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do here, is just give it some extra support. I don't know what you guys think. Maybe in the comments you guys can comment if this is overkill, but what I'm thinking is, being that it's a utility trailer, I'm gonna be towing off-road stuff in it, it's gonna be bouncing a lot. And so I think we should maybe go into overkill mode or extra support mode. And I don't know, what do you guys think? It'd be super helpful in the comments, but I think this would give it some extra support, from bouncing with the weight on there. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing. I took a flat disc, flattened this out so this can sit nice and flush. And now I'm going to remove the mill scale off this stuff, prep it, and I'll tack it and we'll go from there. Okay, here's a finished product. I'm also staining my trailer since it's a really nice weather today. I just painted it. It's looking good. So here's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching, and I will go ahead and link all the items I use at Harbor Freight. Hopefully this gives you an idea on what to do, because like I said, I couldn't find any YouTube video that had a tire on a utility trailer. So hopefully that gives you some ideas. Obviously I'll check back with you guys in about a year, see how this spare tire mount holds up. God bless.